In this video, we are going to talk about some useful words and expressions for describing someone or something fashionable. Let's begin.
Look. Who's that hip girl?
If you say someone is hip, you mean this person is very modern and follows all the latest fashions.
You look swell in that dress.
When you say someone looks swell, you mean this person is fashionable or well-dressed.
Hot pants are very much in vogue just now.
If something is in vogue, it is very popular and fashionable.
Wide-leg trousers came back into vogue about 10 years ago.
If something comes into vogue, it becomes very popular and fashionable.
I've just bought something a little more a la mode.
Something a la mode is in the latest fashion. Please note this word is not used before a noun.
She's dressed up to the nines for the party.
If someone is dressed up to the nines, this person is very well dressed, particularly for a special occasion.
Jessica always looks so chic.
Yes, she is a very stylish woman.
If you say someone is chic or stylish, you mean this person is fashionable and elegant.
Jane is more with it now than she was 10 years ago.
Yes, she is charming and sophisticated now.
If you say someone is with it, or sophisticated, you mean this person knows about fashions.
She's a snappy dresser.
When you say someone is a snappy dresser, you mean this person wears stylish clothes.
The soigné manager received the clients into the meeting room.
A soigné person is dressed fashionably and carefully.
Who's that dashing young man?
He's our new intern George. He always looks very debonair.
When you say a man is dashing or debonair, you mean he is stylish and confident.
I like her snazzy new car.
Well, I think her spiffy haircut is more impressive.
If you say something is snazzy or spiffy, you mean it is fashionable and attractive.
Have you ever been to that Tony restaurant uptown?
No, I haven't. It's too expensive for me.
If you describe something as Tony, you mean it's fashionable and expensive.